You might have a document you'd like to make available from your site, like an Adobe Reader document, maybe a brochure or a price list. One thing to keep in mind right off the bat is that the format of the document will dictate whether your visitors are able to open it. For instance, if you upload a Word or Excel document, your user will have to have a comparable program to open and view it on the other end. And that's one reason Adobe Reader PDF documents work so well, because almost everybody has Adobe Reader on their computer. It's relatively easy to do and basically involves two parts: uploading the document to your web directory and making it available by creating a link to it on one of your web pages. Now we're going to use our About Us page for this example, so let's assume you've logged in, and we're going to go on over here and click on Standard Pages to open things up. Over here we'll see the Edit button, so we'll click there. And so let's say you have a fire workshop that you want to get word out about with an Adobe Reader document. Now, of course, you're going to have to create a link first, so let's drop our cursor in down here, and we're going to type Fire Workshop Info right underneath this paragraph. And you can go ahead and highlight it first. And then we're going to go up here and click on the Edit Link button. You'll notice we don't have a URL here. That would be rather tedious and difficult. So you can just click on the Browse button. And now a quick word about file organization. You'll save a lot of time when uploading documents or images if you have them at your fingertips. So take advantage of the filing system that you see over here. You'll note right now we're in the Images directory, so let's go here and click on Files. And now let's slide on down here and click on Documents. As you can see, we don't have any documents uploaded into the web directory files yet, so that's next. Real easy to do too. You can upload the file to your web directory a couple of different ways. You can click on the Upload button here. You'll see Dropbox. That's actually a file storage site. And up here is Local Machine, which is your computer. In most cases, the file you want will probably be on your machine. Now, you want to locate the file on your computer, select it, and then click on Open, and you can insert it from there. Otherwise, if you already have the folder open, like I do down here, you can just click on it, open it, and then find the file, click, and drag it on over into the Moxie Manager. Now you want to hold down your CTRL key while you do this if you want to leave a copy on your computer instead of just moving it. Your document should almost immediately show up right here in the Moxie Manager. Now you can select the file if you have more than one. Click on Insert. It's right on down here in the corner. And now let's slide on up here and close this window. And now you'll notice up here, there is the URL. After a quick glance to make sure everything is the way you want it, you can come down here and click on the OK button. We'll close this out. Now you can see the text down here has now become a link. And if you're done, just scroll on down here and make sure to update the page. You'll find the button here. To view and test your changes, I usually have my site open in an adjacent tab so I can easily go back and forth. If yours isn't open, you can click on View Website. You'll find that in your website control panel. You'll notice now, as you take a look, nothing has really changed here. So we're going to go on up here and click on Refresh to make sure we see the latest version. And there's our link. I can come on down here and I can click on it, and you'll see I get a pop-up to open the Fire Workshop Adobe Reader document. Depending on the browser settings, the document may open automatically or be downloaded into the Downloads folder where you would have to click on it to open it. Well, congratulations! You just created a link to a file on your website. It's that easy.